Hello and welcome to Kahani Vachak. Today I have got for you a very interesting story about a salt merchant and his lazy horse. So let's start the story. In the story, there's the salt merchant who's very hardworking. He would labor day and night to make salt. Then he would pack the salt in bags, load them on his horse's back and take them to the town to sell. While the salt merchant is very hardworking, his horse is very lazy. He wanted to lie down under a tree the whole day and he wished he had nothing to work. But the salt merchant would regularly load sacks of salt on the horse's back and take them to the town to sell them. One such day, when the merchant loaded bags of salt on the horse's back and asked him to move towards the familiar road to the city while he packed his lunch and followed him, the horse starts his journey towards the city. On the way, there's a bridge beneath which is a river that flows. While the horse was crossing that bridge, suddenly his leg slipped and he fell down in the river, of course along with the bags of salt. And do you know what happens when salt meets water? Yes, you're right. The salt in the bags started dissolving as soon as it hit the river. And when the horse struggled and tried and came out of the river, he actually noticed that the load on his back was lighter and he was very happy about it. And when the merchant reached the horse, met the horse, they together went to the city to sell the salt. While weighing the salt, the merchant noticed that the weight was comparatively less than what he had expected. But then he thought maybe it's his miscalculation. So he sold the salt, came back home with the horse. But then the horse got this idea of getting his weight lighter on his back. So every time the merchant would load bags of salt on his back, again and again the horse would knowingly slip under the bridge and get into the river. And the moment he would be out of the river, he had lesser weight on his back. And that was the time when the merchant would meet him after crossing the bridge. And every time when the merchant would go to the shop, he started noticing that the weight of the salt started getting lesser and lesser each time. Now the salt merchant needed to find out what was going on behind his back. So one day, the salt merchant, as usual, loaded the bags of salt on the horse's back and asked him to start the journey. While very secretly, the merchant followed the horse and hid behind a bush to see what really is happening behind his back. And then he saw that the horse knowingly slips into the river every time and gets the salt dissolved in water. And that's the reason behind the lesser weight of the salt. Then the merchant thought of an idea. He said, I need to teach a lesson to this cunning lazy horse. And that's how the next time what he did was he loaded bags of cotton instead of salt on the horse's back. The poor smart horse did not know what was there on the back this day. So, as usual, as his routine, he again knowingly slipped under the bridge into the river. But what happened this time? Oh no! The moment he dipped the bags into the river, the weight got heavier. He did not understand what's happening, so he dipped again and again and again. And the time and again he would dip himself and the bags into the river, the weight would increase. and he was clueless what was happening. So finally he struggled and tried and came out of the river. And the moment he was out of the river, his legs were weak of the load, of the heavy load that he was today carrying on his back. And he started panting, and he sat down there outside the river on the ground, and he was so tired he could not move. Then was the time when the merchant approached him, and he started laughing at the lazy horse. And he told him, "This is the lesson which I wanted to teach you for the cunningness that you've been showing these days. I'm sure you've learnt a lesson from this and you will not repeat this act again." The poor lazy horse understood what his master was saying, and from the next day onwards, he never repeated that mistake. So that's the story of a lazy horse and his smart merchant master. I hope you liked the story, and till the time I get another interesting story for you, this is Kahani Wachak Swati saying goodbye. Please do not forget to subscribe and like my channel. Also, you could leave a comment on the comment box if you want me to narrate any stories of your liking. Thank you.